Hi, I'm Michael Wilkes, Printing Products Manager for Bunting Magnetics. I'm here to talk to you today a little bit about cylinder cleaning and maintenance for dry offset presses. I've been given a tour through several different plants that run dry offset decorators, and one of the most neglected components that I've seen in the process is the magnetic printing cylinder. On some presses, the print cylinder is a magnetic cylinder with pre-mounted plates that gets changed with each new job. On other presses, the magnetic cylinder is a print cylinder that stays in place and only the plates get changed between jobs. In either case, most print cylinders, both magnetic as well as mechanical lockup cylinders, receive only a minor cleaning and are often stored with little protection from the elements. Print cylinders are a key component of dry offset printing. If the print cylinder is not properly maintained, the quality of the print image being transferred suffers. And isn't that the print image that it's really all about? After all, it is the product's billboard. What I frequently see on magnetic print cylinders is simply ink buildup on the cylinder ends. Most of these cylinders are balanced to run at high speeds, and believe it or not, ink buildup will throw a cylinder out of balance, creating a vibration that can impact the quality of the image. There's really no reason for ink to be allowed to build up on a cylinder. It is way too simple to remove basic ink with just ink remover or a solvent. By simply wiping ink residue off before it gets a chance to cure, you not only improve your print image, but also improve your work environment. After all, who wants to grab a hold of a cylinder that's all covered in sticky ink every time they want to change one out? Now, you don't have to go overboard with the cleaning process by soaking the cylinder overnight in a bucket of solvent. In fact, this could potentially damage the epoxy filler that's around the magnets. Instead, just wipe the ink off with a solvent-soaked rag after use. Another item of neglect that I frequently see on magnetic cylinders is rust on the hubs. Rust usually occurs because after all the ink residue is removed, there's little or no oil left on the steel hubs. With just a few quick steps, rust can be prevented. When you get to the end of a job and you've cleaned all the ink off, simply coat the hub with light grade of oil. If you have a machine that requires the exchange of cylinders for each new job, don't just leave the removed cylinders sitting on a skid on the floor overnight. Those steel hubs are precision ground, and left unattended for long periods of time, those hubs can rust, causing pitting and scaling, which is permanent damage. Keep in mind that deep rust and excessive corrosion on the hub will throw the cylinder's center line off. The next time that cylinder gets used, it will give a less than optimum print job. Most deep corrosion damage makes the cylinder non-usable and non-repairable. By rubbing a little light oil on the hubs, you reduce the likelihood of corrosion and can greatly extend a cylinder's useful life. That's all I have for now. I'm Mike Wilkes. Thank you.